Thanks a lot for joining us with the Trinamool Congress. Yes, yes, now.
Didi, Naresh, inviting Gowal from sports to politics. What is your next? What is your vision for Goa? What can be done? What are you planning to KMC?
Good afternoon, Naresh. First of all, I am very grateful for this opportunity from Didi. To give you a little history, I was a 14-year-old boy embarking to be a tennis player for our country, and Didi was the sports minister of Bengal at the time. And she was very, very encouraging and very supportive as the sports minister of India to enable a young boy to embark on his dream. The vehicle that I chose for the last 30 years to do our people proud was tennis. I traveled the world for 30 years playing for our country, whether it was Davis Cup or the Olympics or winning Grand Slams. Now that I've retired from tennis, the vehicle has changed. And I would like to come under the same guidance of a very powerful young lady who's run with her passion and also given me the opportunity to serve our people through politics. I would like to make a difference to the youth. I would like to make a difference where my roots are. And that's why I've come and joined Didi in this endeavor, to make a difference to our country as a whole.
And what do you like about the governance in Kolkata that you joined?
For me, Devi is a lady of her word. As she said earlier, she may not be a big man, but she's a true champion. I'll tell you that for sure. My career has been encouraged a lot by Didi, and that's why I'm grateful to her. I've also have my visions on what I'd like to see India as the largest democracy in the world look like. For me, it's about democracy. It's not about color or religion or culture or caste. For me, it's a democratic country. For me, it's the largest and fastest growing democratic country in the world. And I'd like to be a part of that to make a difference as I can.
Now let us join the lunch, please, because we have the other program also. Now, what do you
One outside question, nothing to do with Goa, if I may. I mean, a lot of chatter went on about the rioting allegedly in Tripura. Do you want to comment on it? I know that some.
they are here, how they are torturing Tripura, wherever the BJP government is there. They are not allowing the people to go. They are not allowing people to be in a peaceful manner to stay. Tripura, even wherever our people are going, even including place, they are torturing. Every day they are beating the people like anything. They are torturing the people like anything. It is not only Tripura. If you see Tripura, you go the same thing you will see. The Assam BJP government, same thing you will see. You come to Goa, they will deface you. They will show you the black flag. They have already started torturing to our people. Like this, if you go to UP, Lakampur to Hathras, UP, wherever you go, they will not allowed to go. Even if people are being killed, they are being also arrested. So this BJP, they don't believe in democracy. It's an autocracy, and they are a big autocrat. That's why I'm really sorry to say that their vision is poisonous. They are spreading the poisonous air, polluted air, in the name of so-called communalism as a criminal activities.
বাংলার মানুষ এই প্রেস কনফারেন্সটা দেখছেন প্রত্যেকে আপনি তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের যে যোগদান করবেন বলুন
নমস্কার আমি অনেক খুশি আছি কি দিদি আমার এটা অপরচুনিটি দিলেন I now live in Goa as well. So my home is here. I was born in Bengal, but at the end of the day, I'm a very patriotic Indian. For me, whether it's in Bengal or whether it's in Goa or whether it's playing at Wimbledon, for me it's about doing India proud. And in that, now living in Goa, I would like to make a difference in my roots. India is the largest democracy, and there's a great vision that Didi has to make sure that it is a very successful nation that we have. For me, I'd like to do my bit in making a difference to every Indian that is out there.
Later, would you contest given?
So enthusiastic and you will pass a lot because now everybody knows that I am in Goa is because of you people. So I thank you very much and it is my proud privilege to meet all of you. So whatever is saying I have already said, but sometimes the people they come from too far. The press media also, the national press also is there, local press is also there, regional press is also there, channel is also there. So I think sometimes they also have some prerogative to meet the people for interaction. Even you can give us some guidance also, some advice also. Even I always trust the press people because you are from the grassroots level. And what you know the information, it is better than us. Sometimes I take information from the press media because they give the actual information and feedback. So I'm just meeting, can you say that this is a very informal meeting? Instead of saying that formal type of meeting, you can ask me small things because I am not a big man. I'm a very simple living man and I know very little bit about everything. So that you can ask me and also if you have any suggestion or anything you can give it to me. Because this is not the first time that I am politically interacting with you. There will be so many times I will be coming later there. You can start from me or Leander? Start from Leander. No, from Leander. If you give your introduction, because I do not, then I can know the people.
Okay. My name is Kanser. I'm president of local organization. Could you tell us how is KMC looking as far as the upcoming assembly elections in Goa is concerned? Any number that KMC is looking that they can competitively win?
We have to trust people. Trinamool Congress just started. Since Mr. Pelledio and others they joined with us. But within this short time, everybody knows that Trinamool Congress is doing political work started in Goa and we are taking preparation for the election. I think Goa is a very beautiful state and they will celebrate their 60 years of liberation. And let this year celebrate as the Navi Shakal, new dawn of Goa. Let the sun rise, let the sun shine, and let the people smile. Goa have everything with them. What not? Fishing, to tourism, to mines, to sea, to so many things. But the problem is now nobody takes care. It is neglected now. And neglected because nobody is there to take care for the people. Only the government and formation of the government stealing the MLAs. It cannot give you the result. In real politics, in our democratic setup, whatever is the assurance giving before the election, the manifesto, that is to be fulfilled. And political commitment is the main commitment and credibility. Our credibility is our commitment. So I believe that we love Goa, we know their problems. I met the fishermen because I'm fishing man. Next time I meet the taxi drivers and others also, wherever civic society also. There's so many times I'll be coming. Next also. So face by face I'll be meeting the people. And I'm very happy that Gender also joined today with Nafiza Ali and Nirmala Deshpande. Thanks, congratulations to all of you. So I think that Goa, there is a, let Goa rule Goa. It is not that Delhi say लड्डू आएगा और दिल्ली का लड्डू गोवा चलाएगा, दिल्ली का दादागिरी एक बंद होना चाहिए। गोवा को अपन पाए में खड़ा होना चाहिए और उसका फाइल उसको ही होगा, हम लोग उसको मदद करेगा, हम सिस्टम बना देगा, मैकेनिज्म बना देगा, जितना मदद करना है। They didn't have problem for the economy, but they cannot manage it. It is totally mismanaged. Otherwise, what Goa had as a small state, हमारा बंगाल में इतना भी नहीं है, लेकिन देखो हमारा 40% हम अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट कम ही करेंगे। लेकिन इधर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सेगमेंट को अभी 30,000 कर दिया, उसका सब्सिडी 50,000, एक्सपोर्ट भी बंद है, रोता है। हम चाहते हैं गोवा शुड स्माइल। लेट मी सी गोवा शुड स्माइल, गेट द सनशाइन एंड न्यू dawn.
From the Week magazine, is your party planning to form an alliance with other parties so that BJP can be ousted from power after 10 years?
We discussed this matter so many times for so many elections, but no result finally came out. And that's why let us stand in our own way. And I cannot discuss everything in details in this meeting now, because it depends on situation and everything. And local leaders, we have to discuss everything, and then it's a collective decision. It is not an individual decision, so I cannot tell you right now with this. But if anybody is interested to work with us, we'll be happy.